Hello, how you doing? It's Jigsaw coming to you from Jigsaw's Creations in Nova Scotia. I do video reviews and stuff, or game reviews. I'm not a blogger, so I don't really know what I'm doing. I just do it because I can, and maybe somebody will watch and get some information. So, I like games. I have a job that unfortunately allows me time to play games a lot. So pretty much every time I see one, I download it and try it out. So in this case here, we're talking about Fortress of Gears. It's a sort of, I don't know, I guess you can call it kind of a tower defense game. It's quite fun. There's a lot of ads in it. There's a lot of, not so many forced ads, but it gives you a lot of opportunity to watch ads to gain stuff. So you have mana, you have power, you have upgrades you can do. I'll show you that. Push the wrong button. So here you can upgrade your characters. You have different characters available. And then you can upgrade here too. So you have your powers and stuff like that. So you can upgrade different settings. I don't know what most of them are. I'm guessing the foot is your speed, and your heart is your health, and your hit points and so on. So anyway, you go to start the game, and it comes up with a grid like this. You have one spinning gear. You have 22 points to start with every time. And you have 3 options down here. So you got 2 12s and 10 points that you need. Like I say, you only have 22, so you can't get the 2 12s. You have a spearman, a swordman, and then you have another gear. Now, your best thing to do is try to get the gear. Every time it goes around, you want it clicking on something. So initially, you're only going to be clicking on one thing. So I take this up here, put it there, and then I take the one down here and put it here, or here. If I put it there, it might add to this one a little bit, and then you start the battle. Now, it's kind of a one-sided game quite frequently, because you don't get very many player assault countermeasures. You get a lot of gears, which increase the amount, but anyway. So then once you finish one round, you get 3 options to pick from. You get, and it varies, so you can get extra silver, you can get attack or hit points. You can get extra attacks on your boss. This time I'm going to use my silver. And here's one of the ads. So you click on this here, and then it comes up. Watch the ad to get this gear. You confirm it, and then you watch a little ad. And then when the ad finishes, I'll get that gear. Then I can use that gear in my system. And some of them do different things. A lot of them I have no idea what they do, but it's, like I say, it's a fun game. Fortress of Gears. If you don't mind watching a few ads here and there to increase what you're doing, then I'd say get it.